Alright, if you've just joined me, then I'm still trying to find this soakaway and this septic tank. And I'm having a really bad hair day today, as you can see. Let me just straighten that out a bit. There you go. Now, it's no one's got a clue. The owner of the septic tank and soakaway has got no idea where it is. So that's fair enough, right? He can't see it on his deeds or anything like that. So I'm going deep into this kind of primeval jungle to try and find it. I mean, he said, look, if you can't find it today, don't worry, then he's gonna get some contractors in, and they're going to cut back all this foliage and wood-like material. But I don't know about you, but I get the EBGBs in woods and stuff like that. You know, don't get me wrong, I've done lots of septic tanks and soakaways in woods, but this is like deepest, darkest Africa, man. And when I was here, when I was here last time, I had a scare. I thought there was someone running around here, and I'm not paranoid or anything like that, but alright, so now this is strange, man, because what's happening with that video there? There we go. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so I've actually come to a clearing. This is as far as I've got here. And can you see this behind me? That's what I saw right from the distance last time, but that wasn't a thing running around. So this is new. This bit of woodland is new here. So personally, right, I can't see this septic tank being this far in. I really can't. And but I'll go and have a look. I mean, flippin' heck. I think he does need to get some contractors in here and kind of oh man, kind of get some contractors in and clear some of this stuff away. But that's interesting. Right, I'm gonna have a look at what that is all about. Yeah, so because it's very woody here in anyway, I think we'd have to actually create a new area to put your septic tank and soakaway in. And so if you've just joined me, by the way, and you're wondering what the heck is this guy doing, there's a strange smell around here. It smells like a flipping dead body or something. Man alive. My name's Jason from septictank.co.uk, and I'm looking for a septic tank and soakaway. Occasionally. What is that smell? Yeah, and I fix and repair septic tanks and soakaways, and if you've just joined me, then I'm actually looking for someone's septic tank and soakaway. Occasionally I do have to look for them. They don't know, haven't got a clue. What the heck is that smell, man? Oh man, so yeah, so hi everyone. So again, as I said, this is almost like part 2 to the other video you saw me doing. And yeah, so this is what I do for a living. I don't normally walk around the woods all the time for a living. I just put septic tanks and soakaways in and inspect them and help building control and the environmental agency and help people conform their septic tank and soakaway to the new rules and regulations that are coming in. So if you want any help, then just go to septictank.co.uk. And yeah, so I just thought I'd do these live broadcasts occasionally from site, because I just show people that it is like an adventure, you know, don't get me wrong. In the septic tank business, you're outdoors a lot, and I do septic tanks, cesspools, soakaways, sewage treatment plants, and dog poop. I've even started doing dog poop septic tanks. Oh, if you're wondering what I'm doing, it really smells here. Really smells bad. You know, don't get me wrong, but it's not a sewage smell. And so I'm just wondering if there is a septic tank just here. If there is, then you're actually going to see me find one alive. Oh man, alive. I'm just right in the middle of nowhere now. Absolutely in the middle of nowhere. You can call me paranoid or whatever, but I just got the feeling someone's watching me. I mean, it sounds strange and all that, and I'm not, I've been namby-pamby or anything like that, but I'm not psychic or anything like weird like that, but you know, sometimes I just got an uneasy feeling about being in here, to be honest. It's not a nice feeling at all. And there's this kind of netting here, right, in the middle of nowhere. Right, let me show you this netting. You see that netting? There it is, there. Extends down there, and these people say they haven't been in this wood for like 30 years. And there are rumours about this wood. Stories and stuff, you know. And I just got this... I just don't want to go any further, I'll be honest. I just got a feeling of a foreboding feeling here. And there was a terrible smell back there. And I just feel uneasy going any further. I know that may spoil the video for you, but I don't know what that looks quite modern, but I've heard rumours that there are some weird people living in this wood, or oh god, man alive! This is the only wood I've flipping ever been so scared, and I just don't want to go any further. I'm not going to go any further. I've had enough now. I don't mind putting septic tanks in for people and fixing them and stuff like that, but oh god, scary there, man. Really flipping scary. Oh God, you know, it's flipping. That's why I'm probably doing this flipping live broadcast as well, to be honest. So if there's flipping anything happens to me, flipping heck, I'm probably talking flipping nonsense now, scared talk, but I didn't want to go any further in there. No way, man. And the house is like flipping, not miles back there, but it's quite a way back there. And, oh, God, that's bad. Honestly, I'm not kidding you. You go near there and there's a smell, right? And there's like this foreboding feeling, and I felt it last time I came here, and it gave me the EBGBs, and I see these flashes of someone running there and running there, and I just can't go past that barrier. It's really bizarre. Oh God, honestly, I'm not kidding. There's some weird stuff going on here, man. And I'm not going any further. Stuff that. No, and so look, yeah, I'm just going back into the land of the flipping living now, but that's nuts, that is. So look, I fix and repair septic tanks, but I'm not flipping, you know, an expedition leader or something like that. It's like flipping Tarzan or flipping some African expedition leader. I just fix septic tanks and install them, you know. Sometimes they do get me to do stuff like this. Oh God, it's doing my head in. This is, just saw flipping another thing, little flash of someone there. I've had enough. I'm gonna flipping go back now. I'm not flipping getting any flipping deeper into that flipping lark. No way, man, no way. That's it, I've had a flipping enough of this. They can come and flipping do this themselves. Oh, it's flipping scary down there. I'm not flipping kidding you. Oh God, I just want to keep watching my back now. Oh God. Oh God. That was flipping scary, that was. Oh God, I've never been so scared in all my life, I don't think. There's something not right down there. But anyway, if you've just joined me, or maybe you haven't just joined me, maybe you've flipping turned off, I don't know, but it's flipping scary there, man. Sometimes I do have to go deep into woods and do people's septic tanks and stuff like that, and I, you know, been doing it for years, but there's something not right about that flipping wood there. No way, man. As I said, the owners haven't been in here for like 30 years or something like that, you know, and they haven't got a clue where the septic tank is, and as a favour to them, you know, and to try and help them, I go and look for the septic tank, and I'll tell you what's really weird. You got these weird, I mean, I'm in the middle of a wood, right, that no one's been in for 30 or 40 years, and there's like a little clearing, and there's like daffodils there, and this little like mannequin, and there's a putrid smell there in that fence I just couldn't physically go past. It's like really weird. Anyway, you don't half get some job, you know, don't get me wrong. Oh, I've got to go back through this flipping wood again now. I wish some jobs, you know, you ever get a job you wish you'd flipping never started? You know, you just try and help people, and I'm not getting paid for this even, so I was just doing it as a flipping favour to them because they're an old elderly couple, you know, and oh God, so I'm sorry if I'm whittling on a bit. Oh God, I still got flipping. Oh. Anyway, so I'm going to change the subject now a bit now. So I'm Jason from septictank.co.uk, and everything's normally fine, except when I find myself in the flipping middle of a wood in the middle of nowhere. Oh gosh, this is a nightmare. I'm even lost as well. Yeah, and everything's normally fine, right? Believe it or not. You know, give me a septic tank legal problem, no problem. You're having legal disputes with your neighbours, I'll fix your septic tank problem. Septic tank ban 2020 coming into force, no problem, we'll fix your septic tank. Looking for the septic tanks, I'm your man. You know, I install them, I repair, consult, environmental agency, ring me up. Building control, fine, sort the problems, but some... Oh, God. This is a nightmare. It's really, 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 really scary in here. Really scary in here. And yeah, I'll fix any septic tank, and I've done for 20 years. And but that was just too scary, that wood to go in. And although the nights are drawing out, it's I don't want to be stuck in here in the dark, so I'll just say, look, you know, you're gonna have to get someone else to find the septic tank for you. And so I'm sorry if this turning this. There you go. I just saw someone there or something. Oh my goodness, it's still like, there you go. I'll turn around, darting in between, running along those tree line, that tree line just to there. Oh God, where is my Jeep? Trouble is as well, in this wood you get disorientated, and oh, I can hear a car somewhere. Oh, that's good. Oh God, thank goodness for that. Yeah, so sorry if I seem like a big scaredy baby, but God, you want to come in this wood, it's flipping not like any other wood I've been in. I've been doing this game for 20 years, you know. Baby in hell. Oh. And I know it really looks unprofessional at the moment. And if you want me to look for your septic tank, you probably say, who's this bozo? I'm not going to get in. But as I said, I'm not an explorer, you know. Don't normally have to go through woods exploring for people. I'm just doing someone a favour. And, you know, my forte is decommissioning septic tanks, repairing them, installing them, stuff like that. But, God, this flaming wood is scary, man. There's something not right down there. But the people who own it haven't been in here for 30, 40 years. And they haven't got a clue where it is, so... I'm going to suggest, you know, they want to, it's going to be like finding a needle in a haystack. I know we can trace and follow the pipe back from their house into here, but the house is still way, 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 way away. This wood was planted like flipping 100 years ago. You know, the tank was probably 70 years old. And so I'm going to just suggest putting a new tank in, either on the outskirts of wood, and just, it's going to cost them too much money to flipping get a team in of contractors to kind of fix this, you know, to do this. But anyway, but the whole reason I've done this is to show you that what I get up to in the world of septic tanks and stuff like that. So, and I'm human, and I do get scared, and oh God, I can see the road now. God, I've never been so scared in all my life, I tell you. That is nuts. Never been so scared in all my life. Yes, so listen, I'm gonna go now, and I'm gonna go now, but listen, I'm gonna do a live questions and answers later if I get out of this wood alive. Oh God, I can hear cars now. But listen, thank you very much for oh God, it's like, I don't know if you can see it, but someone's tied a red teddy bear to the tree there. But anyway, look, lots of weird stuff, man. But look, anyway, I'm back in the land of the living, hopefully in a bit, and I'll do some normal questions and answers on septic tanks. But thank you very much for watching over me while I'm flipping like a scared baby in this wood. But anyway, thanks a lot, and I'll see you later. Okay, bye.